What's up guys, it's your girl Ada. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a summer look, a summer makeup look. So I'll be showing you guys what I'll be using for this look. I'll be using my colourpop concealer, my angle brush, and my spoolie, my brow pencil, and my milani powder. So now I'll be using my Garnier facial cleanser to clean my face, and after that I'll be using my Tears face toner to clean up my face. And after that I'll be going in with my moisturizer to moisturize my face, and then I'll be going in with this Rimmel Stay Matte facial primer, and then I'll be priming my face. After this I'll be going up with my brow pencil to do my brows. I'm using my Jordana brow pencil. And then for my brows I'll be using two different shades of concealer. I'll be using the colourpop concealer in the color medium 36 and colourpop concealer in the shade dark 40. I use those two concealers because I usually don't like anything stressing me out. So like the darker part I use it for my upper brows, and the lighter part I use it for my brow bone and for the lower part. And that way it makes it easier for me to blend in the upper parts, to blend everything in with my foundation. So here I'll be using the lighter shade to highlight my brow bone. I'll be doing the same thing to my other brows. After this I'll be going in with my colourpop concealer in the shade medium 36, and I'll be applying that all over my eyelid, and then blend in with my Real Technique beauty blender. After blending in with my Real Technique beauty blender, I'll be going in with my milani powder to set my eyes. The milani powder is in the shade 108. I think that's the light. And then I'm going in with this NYX eyeshadow primer for my eyes. And then after that I'll be going in with my Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette. This is the Beauty Glazed Gorgeous Me eyeshadow palette. Sorry that didn't show properly. And then I'll be going in with this shade as my transition color. And after that I'll be going in with the second color on the same Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. And then I'll be using this Morphe eyeshadow palette for my eyelid. And after this, I'll be going back in with my first transition color. I'll be using that to blend out everything. The key to a good eyeshadow application is actually to blend. And after that, I'll be using my eyeliner to line my eyes. I think this is the Kiss Beauty or something. I have had this for a really long time and I've been using it forever. Like, it's the bomb. I love it. And after that, I'll be going in with my L'Oreal cream liner. I got that off Amazon. If you're looking for a cheap cream liner, the L'Oreal cream liner is actually good. I got it off Amazon and it's worth the money. It's not too pricey and it's cool. And after that, I'll be going in with my IMV, that's my lash glue. I actually also got that off Amazon too, and then that lash glue is actually worth it, good for the price. The IMV, and my lashes are on. Then after this, I'll be going in with my foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 340, and I'll be applying that with my beauty blender. After this, I'm going in with my concealer in the shade medium 36 to highlight my face. And then blend with my Real Technique beauty blender. I'll be setting my face with the Airspun loose powder. I also got this off Amazon, and it's so far it's been good, and it's good. And then I will be going in with the Elf contour palette to contour my nose. And I'm brushing off my setting powder, I highlight, and I'll also be blending everything and setting everything with my Milani face powder. And then I'm going in with this NYX lip liner in the shade Cocoa. After that, I'll be going in with my NARS lip gloss. And because I want a glossy look, I'll be adding my lip gloss, my clear lip gloss to that to get a glossy look. And after this, I'm going in with my e.l.f. blush palette. And then my Milani Tantastic bronzer. Like, I love this bronzer. Look at that glow. Look at that glow. And then I'm going in with my Smashbox primer. This primer is the bomb to seal it. And then I'm done. When your baby girl is your hype man. Oh.
Oh, everybody, look at that thing. She's really cute. Look at her pretty, stylish. I don't know.
After this, we'll be dropping a video for you guys on how I achieved this large jumbo box braid. Thank you guys for watching, and watch out for my next video on how I achieved this jumbo box braid. And please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, share my videos, click on the notification button so you get notifications when I post videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.